Televisions are a cornerstone of modern life, bringing entertainment, news, and information into homes worldwide. From epic movie nights to breaking news updates, TVs have become an essential part of how we connect with the world around us. But have you ever wondered what goes into making one of these high-tech devices? The journey from raw materials to a sleek, functional screen is a fascinating process that combines advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, and innovative design. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check out our channel for more videos about how everyday items are made. Let's get started. Every television begins its journey as an idea in the minds of engineers and designers. This initial stage is where creativity and technical expertise come together to shape the vision for a new model. The process starts with market research, where manufacturers study consumer preferences for features such as screen size, resolution, and smart capabilities. Based on this data, design teams set out to create a television that balances aesthetics, performance, and functionality. The design phase involves a careful selection of components that will define the TV's capabilities. Choices must be made regarding display technology, whether it will use LED, OLED, or QLED panels. Additional features like refresh rates, HDR support, and sound quality are also determined during this stage. Engineers work on how these components will fit into the overall structure, ensuring the television is both durable and lightweight. By the end of this stage, the design is finalized, and plans are in place to move forward with sourcing components and bringing the vision to life. The seamless integration of form and function is what sets a well-designed television apart, making this initial phase crucial to its success. The production of a television relies on gathering a wide variety of components, each playing a vital role in its functionality. The sourcing process begins with securing the display panel, the most crucial part of the television. Manufacturers collaborate with specialized suppliers to obtain panels, whether they're LED, OLED, or QLED, ensuring they meet exacting standards for clarity, brightness, and color reproduction. In addition to the display, circuit boards form the electronic backbone of the television. These boards house the processors, memory, and control systems that enable the TV to function. The components for these boards, such as semiconductors, resistors, and capacitors, are sourced from suppliers worldwide. Each piece undergoes rigorous testing before being shipped to ensure it meets the high standards required for reliable performance. Backlighting components, another key element, are also procured during this stage. For LED televisions, this means obtaining light-emitting diodes that provide the necessary illumination behind the screen. For OLED technology, where each pixel emits its own light, the sourcing process focuses on the organic materials required for these self-lighting panels. By the end of the sourcing phase, all necessary materials are gathered and prepared for assembly. The careful selection and inspection of each component ensures that the television will deliver the high-quality experience consumers expect. This step sets the foundation for the detailed work that follows in assembling and programming the device. The process begins with the creation of the panel itself, which is a multi-layered structure designed to produce vibrant images. For LED displays, the assembly involves placing a thin layer of liquid crystal material between two sheets of glass. Behind this layer, an array of light-emitting diodes provides the backlight necessary for illuminating the screen. Each diode must be perfectly aligned to ensure uniform brightness across the display. OLED panels, on the other hand, eliminate the need for a backlight by using organic materials that emit light when an electric current is applied. This self-emissive technology allows for thinner panels and deeper contrast, as individual pixels can be turned off completely to produce true blacks. The assembly of OLED panels requires even greater precision, as the organic layers are extremely delicate. Once the panel is constructed, the layers are sealed together to protect them from dust and moisture. Testing is conducted at every stage to identify and correct any imperfections, such as dead pixels or uneven lighting. The finished panel is then connected to the driver boards, which control how the image is displayed on the screen. With the display assembled, the next focus is on the electronics that bring the television to life. This stage involves creating and integrating the hardware and software that enables a seamless viewing experience. It's a process that combines precise manufacturing techniques with advanced programming to deliver exceptional functionality. The foundation of the television's electronics is the circuit board, often referred to as the brain of the device. This board houses the central processor, memory chips, and other essential components that manage tasks such as processing video signals, controlling the display, and managing connectivity options. Manufacturing these boards requires extreme precision, as the components are small and densely packed to keep the television thin and lightweight. Once the circuit boards are complete, they're installed into the television and connected to the display. This step also involves adding ports for HDMI, USB, and other connections. Each port must be carefully aligned and tested to ensure it functions properly. Televisions are designed to support multiple inputs, so consumers can switch between devices such as gaming consoles, streaming sticks, and Blu-ray players with ease. For smart televisions, software integration is another critical element of this phase. The operating system is installed onto the device, allowing users to access streaming apps, web browsers, and other features. This software must be compatible with the hardware and optimized for smooth performance. Developers test the system extensively to ensure it's user-friendly and free of glitches. As part of this stage, manufacturers install the television speakers and audio processors. Whether it's a basic stereo sound or a more advanced surround system, the audio components are tuned to complement the visuals. Engineers carefully calibrate the sound to ensure clarity, balance, and volume consistency across content types. By the end of this phase, the television is fully equipped with the electronics that power its features and capabilities. With hardware and software in place, the next step involves enclosing these components within a protective housing and preparing the unit for its final form. Watch to the end to see how rigorous testing ensures that every television meets the highest quality standard before it reaches your home. With the display and electronics ready, the television moves to the stage where all components are brought together in a protective and visually appealing housing. This part of the process ensures that the device is both functional and durable, while maintaining a sleek design that complements modern interiors. The housing, often made from a high-quality plastic or aluminum, is manufactured with precision to fit the internal components snugly. The back panel is designed to provide access for connectivity ports, ventilation openings, and attachment points for stands or wall mounts. Manufacturers use injection molding techniques to create lightweight but sturdy frames that can support the delicate display and electronics. Once the housing is ready, the assembly process begins. The circuit boards, speakers, and power supply are secured inside the casing, with cables carefully routed to prevent interference or damage. The display panel, the centerpiece of the television, is then mounted onto the front of the housing. This step requires precise alignment to ensure the screen is centered and firmly attached. Manufacturers also incorporate additional features during this stage, such as infrared sensors for remote controls and buttons for basic on-device functions. These components are carefully tested to ensure they work seamlessly with the television's overall system. Finally, the exterior is cleaned and inspected for any imperfections such as scratches or misaligned parts. The completed unit is now fully assembled, combining advanced technology with a durable and attractive exterior. This stage ensures that every television not only performs well, but also looks polished and professional. The next step will focus on rigorous testing to confirm that the finished product meets the highest quality standards before it's shipped to customers. With the television fully assembled, it undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure it meets the highest standards of performance, durability, and safety. This stage is critical as it determines whether the product is ready to deliver a flawless experience to consumers. The first aspect of testing focuses on the display. Engineers check for issues such as dead pixels, uneven brightness, or color inconsistencies. Specialized equipment is used to measure brightness levels, contrast ratios, and color accuracy, ensuring the screen delivers clear and vibrant images. For high-resolution models such as 4K and 8K televisions, additional tests are conducted to verify that the device can handle complex visuals with smooth motion and sharp detail. Audio quality is another important area of focus. Technicians test the speakers for clarity, balance, and volume across a range of frequencies. This ensures that the television produces sound that complements its visuals, whether the content is a movie, live broadcast, or music. Once functional testing is complete, the television is inspected for physical quality. This includes checking for scratches, alignment issues, or imperfections in the housing. Each unit must meet the manufacturer's standards for appearance before it can be approved for sale. The final step involves packaging the television to protect it during shipping. Foam inserts, protective films, and sturdy boxes are used to prevent damage in transit. The package is labeled with product details including model numbers, specifications, and safety information. By the end of this stage, the television has been thoroughly tested and prepared for its journey to retailers and consumers. These quality assurance measures ensure that every unit leaving the factory delivers the performance and reliability expected by its customers. If you enjoyed exploring the process behind televisions, be sure to check out our other videos to learn how everyday items are crafted. Don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more fascinating journeys with you soon.